Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to create heat maps in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly select the values. So after selecting the values, so here in home options, so you can see style. In style box you can see conditional formatting. So just click on it. So after that, here you can see different options like highlight cell rules, top and bottom rules, data bars, color scale, icon sets. So just click on color scale. So when you will click on color scale, so you can see there are different color scales. So you can select anyone according to you. So I am selecting first one. So you can see green for higher values and red for lower values and yellow for middle values. So if you want to edit, so just again select these values and then click on conditional formatting, and here you can see manage rules. So just click on it. So after that, click on edit rule. So after this, here you can see format all cells based on their values. So you can select 2 colors, 3 colors, or data bar icon sets. So after selecting, so here you can also select the colors for minimum maximum values. So if you want to change the colors, so just click on it, and here you can see different color and you can select any color according to you. So after selecting, so you can see this color for minimum values. So if you want to change the color for maximum values, so again select it and you can see color is changed, then click on OK. So you can see color is changed. So guys, if you want to clear the all rules, so just again select the values. After this, click on conditional formatting, and here you can see clear rules. So just click on it, and when you will click on clear rules, so here you can see clear rules from the selected cells or clear rules from the entire sheet. So if you want to clear rules from the selected cell, just click on it. So if you want to clear rules from the entire sheet, so just click on it. So you can see all rules are cleared. So guys, in this way you can create heat maps in Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.